Access to the O2 sensor is limited. If you are replacing them for the first time, I would recommend you remove the taillights and the rear bumper cover. Here you see the connections, red arrows. The ones on the left are easy. If you're servicing the ones on the right, I recommend removing the airbox. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. With the airbox removed, you can easily access both sides of the connections indicated by the red arrows. You will need to have and use a 22mm crowfoot wrench. These tend to get stuck on the flange due to the heat and weather they are exposed to. Do not attempt to remove them with a standard 22mm wrench. You are probably going to round them off or strip them, and then you're going to have a bunch of trouble. There are two sensors on each side, one before the cat, red arrow, and one in the cat, blue arrow. Use the crowfoot wrench to remove the sensor. You may have to spray some penetrating oil on them and let it sit for a while to help get them to release their hold on the exhaust. Check it for signs of the health of your engine. Any signs of oil or wetness is not good. When installing new sensors, they may have a small amount of anti-seize on the threads, red arrow. Do not get this or anything on the end of the sensor when installing, blue arrow. Both sensor connections are located under the taillight housings. We are showing the right side, the left is similar. The connections are color-coded and different. You cannot mix them up. If you are concerned, replace one sensor at a time. Remove the gray connection from the mount by lifting up on the plastic clip and pulling it out, red arrow. Depress the tab on the connection, red arrow, and separate them. On the black connection, pull it out from its mount and press the tab, red arrow, and separate them. Follow the wiring for the sensor you are replacing. There will be several clips holding them in place, red arrows. Use the same routing for each sensor when reinstalling. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the sensors to 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.